Hi students, welcome to today's revision session on NCERT English textbook for class 7 Honeycomb. Today we will be revising the lesson titled Fire, Friend and Foe. Fire, friend and foe. What do you mean by friend and foe? Fire must have been a mystery for early men, but today men know how to make use of fire for his daily use and for the profitable side too. Fire is used for cooking, for boiling, for producing electricity, etc. etc. Now, what makes fire? Fire is made when oxygen in the air combines with the carbon and hydrogen present in the fuel. So how is fire made? Fire is made when oxygen in the air combines with carbon and hydrogen, resulting in producing fire with heat and light. So fire is the result of combination of oxygen in the air and carbon and hydrogen present in the fuel. When these three elements combine together at a particular temperature, fire is produced. So what is that particular temperature called? It is called as flash point. Flash point. What is flash point then? The temperature at which a fuel starts burning is called flash point. Flash point means the temperature at which a fuel starts burning or it catches fire is called flash point. Now what are the elements required for fire? Fire requires oxygen for sure. So oxygen. Elements for fire are oxygen, the fuel and temperature. Temperature means the flash point at which a fuel catches fire. That is, the temperature meant here is the flash point. Okay, so the elements of fire is oxygen, fuel and temperature. What are the uses of fire? As discussed earlier, fire is used in our daily life for cooking food, boiling water and in industries, and of course for producing electricity and many other ways we make use of fire. Then, how does fire become a foe? Foe means enemy. When fire goes out of control, we call it as a foe. When does it go out of control? When we forget certain points to take care, we forget to follow the rules of using fire, which results in going out of control and causing danger. So, obviously there should be a means of controlling fire. What are the ways to control fire? To control fire, we need to cut off the supply of oxygen. So and the most important way of extinguishing fire is cut off the supply of oxygen. Secondly, we can remove the fuel. If in the absence of fuel, fire can't burn. Third, we should bring down the temperature, that is the flash point. So 3 ways to control fire is to cut off oxygen, remove the fuel and bring down the temperature. So though fire is dangerous, it is clearly understood that if we have control on all these 3, it can be a friend. Last, let us see who are the people who can help us when there is a fire accident. The people who help us in such cases are called firefighters. So who are firefighters actually? Firefighters are a team of people who are trained to control fire, extinguish fire and give first aid and save people, and also help us in giving awareness on such topics. So a team of people who are trained to control fire or extinguish fire and to give first aid during a fire injury, and also to give awareness on the faults or reasons for fire. So these are the main topics we would cover on the lesson fire, friend and foe. Thank you.